Vito, from your perspective in the finance seat at a high growth pre-IPO company, how have you and your board thought about some of the trade-offs, or what have you heard from your industry peers about a framework to think about those kind of trade-offs?
Yeah, it's definitely been an area where we've had to shift mindsets a little bit. Of course, 6 months, a year ago, it was growth at all costs. Now, the common term is always growth in an optimized fashion. So much of the way that we wanted to develop this has been around using kind of efficiency metrics that we're all familiar with. So we tend to look a lot more at CAC payback. We've looked a lot toward cash burn multiples as well, since we are growing a lot. So it's really how do we really gauge what we're growing, or how fast we're growing versus how much we want to have in the bank as we really last for the long haul, depending on how long this contraction focuses. So that's been the higher level. Then there's just been change management with all of our execs, our managers, on really making sure we have the right people in the seats, we're spending the money in the right way. Very frequently, I'll tell my teams we're not really in the business yet to be profitable and to be a profitable company. We're in the business of spending the investments and the funds we have in the right way and the most efficient way. And so that internal change management has been a lot of our focus, especially as the change into this contraction has been relatively quick.